Hi everybody, welcome to class with Darren Jr. and Bella. We can't wait to learn and have fun with you guys today. Well, hello. How are you? Welcome. Are you ready for class now? Morning, my friend. How are you? Fine. It's good morning, Bella. Bella, how are you? Choo choo. Good morning, Bella. How are you? Choo choo. Good morning, Bella. Good morning, Bella. Good morning, Bella. How are you? Choo choo. Hey, DJ. Hey, friends. Can you go to the board and point to the letter A, please? Hi, Bella. Can you go to the board and point to the letter A, please? Good job. A is for apple. Hey, Bella. Hey, friends. Can you go to the board and point to the apple? A is for what, Bella?
Apple.
Good job. High five. Good job, Bella. Good job, friends. You should be so proud. A is for apple. Good job.
I like apples. I like apple. I can eat apple.
Hi, DJ, and hi, friends. Do you know what sound the letter A makes? Does it sound like puh, puh, puh? Good job, DJ. That's correct. A is the sound the letter A makes. Good job. Hi, friends. Do you know of anything else that may start with the letter A? Airplane. Good job. That's correct. Airplane does start with the letter A. This is a picture of an airplane that your mommy drew. I got DJ doing a little color in here.
It's gonna be green.
It's an airplane, a green airplane. Okay. So, Bella, I'm going to give you a piece of paper too as well. Oh, hey friends. Just in. There's a question. Everyone wants to know what colors is DJ using to color his airplane. DJ, what two colors do you have?
I got green and orange.
Good job, DJ. Good job, friends. Orange and green are the colors that DJ is using to color his airplane. You guys rock. Good job.
I'm the toy people. I found the airplane because the airplane needs to be on because I found this part.
What is this called, Bella?
Airplane.
Airplane. What letter do you see on the block? Do you see a letter on here that we just talked about? What's this letter?
Hey.
A. Good.
And what's that?
It's me, Tony the T-Rex, and I want to know if you can roar like me. Do you think you can?
Roar! Roar! Roar!
Roar! Good job. You guys sure can roar. Thanks for roaring with me, Tony the T-Rex.
Yeah. Come on over, I'm a pig. Just call me Miss Pink Pig. Come on over, I'm a pig. Just call me Miss Pink Pig.
Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? Are you ready to learn? Boys and girls, I'm Miss Pink Pig, and I can't wait to learn with you today. But we have a problem. Seems like Bella, she's crying. She's sad, and I can't seem to help her stop crying. Do you know what it means when someone is crying? She might be hurt. Let me ask. Hold on. Hey, Bella, are you hurt? What's the matter? No, she's not hurt. Wait a minute. Oh, she might be sad. Good thinking. Let me see if that's the problem. Hey, Bella, are you sad? You don't want a hug? Yeah, she's sad. I know someone who can help her. She's my very, very good friend, Miss Moo Cow. I'm gonna go see if I can find her and ask her if she can visit Bella to help her feel better. Okay? So I'll be back. You guys stay right there. Toodles. Hi. Miss Pink Pig just left here, and she told me that our friend Bella is having a hard time. Let me go and see if I can help. What's the matter, Bella? What happened?
It's fine.
Give me a kissy. Give her a kiss. Mwah. Thank you. Do you feel better? Can I have a hug? Give me a hug. Oh, hug me. Oh, thank you. All right. Hi everybody. I'm Miss Moo Cow and I'm ready to play. Are you ready to play? Hi DJ.
Hi.
High five. Oh, hi kids. You ready to play?
Yes.
High five. Okay, I think I know exactly what Bella needs. A good fun song. Let's go. All right, today we're going to sing a couple of songs. And one of them is my favorite. Ma'am, where you going? Where you go? Okay. Oh, she had to go. Old MacDonald, are you ready? All right. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there. Here, moo there, moo everywhere, moo, moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. All right. Thank you, Bella.
Oh, with you were the guest.